So what are you reading now?
Joe, baby, what is my love language?
Oh. I think I know what your language is.
You know what? I love me some you, but that is not what I'm talking about. I need quality times, right? You just haven't been giving that to me lately.
Why not? Okay, quality time last night.
That is not what I'm talking about. You don't get it. I need you here with me. You're always at the office, at the gym. You're always working like you're never here. And
But I do that to take care of you, take care of us.
that's your job as my husband. But I need to feel love. I'm not feeling love lately. You know what? Dre, I know your love language.
Okay, let's hear it.
It's words of affirmation. You know, you like, look at your muscles, Dre. I love your dress, Dre. Baby, you are so sexy. See?
Wrong.
Oh.
Not speaking your spouse's language? Need a marriage tune-up? Join us at Halliday Productions at the Marriage Maintenance Bistro, Saturday, June the 1st from 9 a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. Light bites will be served. Our location is at 1244 Brookside Drive at the Brookside Convention Center in Hurst, Texas. Tickets are $15 pre-sale and $20 at the door. You can purchase your tickets at www.holidayproductions.net. Hope to see you there.